Imagine this. You are planning a trip, but instead of rushing to embassies, filling out stacks of forms and waiting endlessly in long lines, you can do everything online. Sounds much better, right? That's exactly what EVisas solve. So, an e-visa is a digital version of a visa that you can obtain online from the country you want to visit. In this video, we'll explore why EVisas exist, the types of EVisas, and how you can get one for your next trip. Let's dive in. So first, why EVisas? Very simple. It's all about making things easier for everyone. So for travelers, planning a trip has become simpler, faster, and incredibly convenient. And on the other hand, countries are able to manage visitors better, enhance border security, and process applications faster. E-visas have given a major boost to both leisure and business travel. Just like traditional visas, e-visas come in different types. There are four main categories. Tourist e-visa, for those traveling for leisure or to visit family and friends. Business e-visa, for individuals engaging in business activities but not taking up employment in the destination country. Transit e-visa, for travelers passing through the country en route to a third destination. And study e-visa, for individuals traveling for short-term courses or study purposes. Now note, e-visas are issued for short terms only and their validity ranges from 30 to 180 days. Now that we understand the why and types of e-visas, let's see how you can get one for your next trip. The e-visa application process is fairly simple. It typically involves visiting the official e-visa website of the destination country, completing an online application form, and then uploading required documents such as passports and photographs, paying the visa fee online, and finally receiving the e-visa via email after approval, which you should print for your travel. And that's it. So if you are a fellow traveler, you can save tons of time and effort by getting an e-visa. And if you're looking for a safe and secure platform for e-visas, just remember that Atlys is here to help you.